What do we understand by discounting of bill? Discounting of bill means encashment of bill by the holder from bank before due date. That is a situation in which the holder of the bill, the holder can be the drawer himself or the third party to whom the drawer has transferred this bill. So the holder of the bill approaches the bank and gets it encashed before the due date. Remember, in this case, bank charges certain interest. Bank charges some interest on the amount paid by it. Now, that makes it very clear that in this case, encashment would not be equal to the face value of the bill. Let us understand this concept by taking an example. Let us consider two persons, Ram and Shyam. Ram and Shyam. Here, Ram is a drawer. That means Ram has to receive the payment. And Shyam is a drawee. Shyam has given a bill of rupees 30,000 to Ram for, let's say, 3 months. Ram requires money immediately. So what option Ram has? Ram will approach his bankers and will get this bill discounted. He'll tell the bankers that he has received a bill from Shyam. Obviously, bill is a legal document, we understand this. So after due inspections, bank will discount that bill. But bank will not pay him 30,000 rupees. Let's say, bank offers to pay at 10% interest. That means Ram will have to pay an interest of 30,000 into 10% for 3 months, assuming that he got it discounted on the same day. So in this case, the discount would be 750. So payment received by Ram would be would be 30,000 minus 750, that makes it 29,250. So students, it is very clear that Ram approached bank for payment to be made against that bill immediately, and in lieu of making that payment, bank charged an interest of 750. So Ram will get a net amount of 29,250, and on due date, bank will take that bill to Shyam, who will make a payment of 30,000 rupees to the bank.